I'm excited to have breakfast.
Yeah, I'm gonna send this silhouette to Jetfield as well.
Yeah, you should.
Look at that.
If you edit it correctly. Or it's just the front of the nose is a bit lighted up. Don't know if they ever said this.
This one?
Try and find one where the nose is
That?
not. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Appreciate it.